So I've got this shoehorn. Let's actually take it out. There we go. So it's made of quality plastic. It's not very easy to bend, as you can see. It has a hook right here, and it's also rounded and nice for the fit to go in. And with this hook you can hang it on the wall. So let's try it on. Okay, let's try some shoes now. I'll try this one. As you can see, it's tied. So there we go, it's that easy. And then the other one. There we go. Now let's try this pair of shoes, which is a bit similar to the leather shoes in that some of them have no laces and they are harder to get into. So let's try this one. There we go. Nice and easy. And then the other one. Nice and easy. Cool. So this is reliable and easy to use.